Welcome guys. Makeup brushes come in not only a wide range of sizes but also different materials, bristle shapes, lengths and density. So to help you sort through all the noise, in this video Shopix brings 5 best makeup brushes in 2021 that you might actually need. We have put together all these products in list and mention their links in the description box. These 5 are the best makeup brushes, you can choose any one for your use. Let's get started with the first product. The 5th product is doCERA Makeup Brushes. This is an 8 pieces face makeup brush set and 19 pieces eye makeup brushes, which meets all you need for applying your makeup. All these brushes are produced in doCERA certified factories that providing high quality and professional makeup brush set for people in the world of makeup. Each doCERA makeup brushes is individually named and numbered, and the makeup set comes with a detailed makeup brush set's professional owner's guide containing brush tips, tricks and techniques to avoid any confusion and achieve beautiful results. Soft and silky to the touch, the high-density hairs don't shed, while also being soft and hypoallergenic to suit even sensitive skin types. The hair of each makeup brush has undergone rigorous testing and inspection, please use it with confidence. The makeup brush set have a luxuriously silky soft feel with high-density fibers that have been designed and handcrafted by our industry experts. The beautiful makeup sets crafted with FSC certified wooden ergonomic handles and recycled aluminium ferrules. The 4th product is Lazuzza Makeup Brushes. The Lazuzza makeup brushes are made of durable plastic. The irregular crystal design of the handle under the light is full of gorgeous looks with dreamy rendering color. The handle is designed with grooves make you have a really nice and comfortable grip on them. The makeup brushes are made of soft synthetic fiber, the bristles are very soft and dense. You can blend smoothly using these makeup brushes. They're waterproof and non-shedding, so hold up well during cleaning. The delicate bristles move so softly on your skin, but the base of the bristles have perfect stiffness to let you do well in your makeup. This set have a great variety of options like contour, eyeshadow, foundation and makeup brushes. This set of brushes can almost meet all your makeup need, like streak-free application of powder, cream, liquid cosmetics on the face. With the fascinating crystal look, these makeup brushes for women and girls can bring a great surprise. The 3rd product is Cintas Makeup Brushes. These are 16 pieces of makeup brushes, which include 5 pieces basic big kabuki makeup brushes and 11 pieces precise eye makeup brushes for eyeshadow, crease shadow and concealer etc. 4 makeup sponge and 1 makeup brush cleaning mat included as well. The soft, fluffy and dense bristles perfect for blend out foundation and powder products, not easy to be brushed off and no irritating. It is made of wooden material. The brush head linked to the handle by glue, surface firmly covered with an aluminum sheet, that prevent the brush and handle from falling apart and for long time use. The 360 degrees fit water drop design, 3 different faces can be used for T-area, eyes, nose, neck, cheek, chin, forehead and other parts. It is perfect for all kinds of cosmetics, foundation, BB cream, powder, concealer, isolation or liquid etc. This set comes with a brush cleaner mat. Washing your brushes, please only wash the bristles to avoid let water touch the part which the brush head linked to the handle by glue, as this can loosen the glue over time. The 4th product is Lazuzza Makeup Brushes. The Lazuzza makeup brushes are made of durable plastic. The irregular crystal design of the handle under the light is full of gorgeous looks with dreamy rendering color. The handle is designed with grooves make you have a really nice and comfortable grip on them. The makeup brushes are made of soft synthetic fiber, the bristles are very soft and dense. You can blend smoothly using these makeup brushes. They're waterproof and non-shedding, so hold up well during cleaning. The delicate bristles move so softly on your skin, but the base of the bristles have perfect stiffness to let you do well in your makeup. This set have a great variety of options like contour, eyeshadow, foundation and makeup brushes. This set of brushes can almost meet all your makeup need, like streak-free application of powder, cream, liquid cosmetics on the face. With the fascinating crystal look, these makeup brushes for women and girls can bring a great surprise, and the first product is Best Hope Makeup Brushes. Best Hope 16 pieces brushes set has 5 pieces Big Kabuki makeup brushes and 11 pieces Precise makeup brushes. Everything you need for a natural look face and eye makeup application is in here. This professional makeup brushes set is perfect for both beginners and professional makeup artists. These brushes are made with soft and dense synthetic fibers. It provides a high-definition finish with liquid, powders or cream foundation without any absorption of product and no shedding. Best Hope brush set covers all sizes and shapes of brushes to carve and sculpt the face for flawless dimension. It is ideal for contouring, blending, shading and highlighting. The high-quality ferrule and wood material gives the best control of grip while applying makeup. These are the best brushes for makeup. Pick the Best Hope brushes, which will help you to create a smooth, flawless-looking finish at the day, or you can choose the Best Hope brushes as a gift. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. Please like the video and share your ideas in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe for the next upcoming videos. We hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.